Hello and welcome to Speak, Learn English Easy. I'm here with you today and I'm absolutely excited to share this life-changing lesson about health vocabulary in English. Imagine this scenario. You're visiting New York City, having an amazing time, when suddenly you feel terrible pain in your chest. Your heart is racing. You need help immediately, but there's a problem. You understand when people speak English, but you can't find the words to explain what's wrong. You point to your chest, but the paramedic needs more information. This is scary, right? Today, that fear ends forever. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly how to talk about your health in English. You'll feel confident speaking to doctors, nurses, and pharmacists anywhere in the world. Many English learners tell me, I'm afraid to go to the doctor because I can't explain my problems in English. I understand what they ask, but I can't speak back clearly. If this sounds like you, don't worry. You're not alone in this struggle, and today we'll solve this problem together using our easy method. Why is health vocabulary so important? Because health is universal. No matter where you are, London, Toronto, Sydney, or New York, you need these words. They're not just vocabulary to memorize. They're your safety net, your confidence builder, your ticket to getting help when you need it most. Before we start learning these life-saving words, let me explain our proven easy learning method. It's called shadowing, and it's the fastest way to go from understanding English to actually speaking it with confidence. Here's exactly how our method works, step by step. First, I'll say each word slowly and clearly, the way native speakers really pronounce it. Second, you'll listen with complete focus, training your ear to catch every sound. Third, when I say now, you repeat. You'll say the word out loud immediately. Fourth, don't worry about being perfect. Worry about practicing and building confidence. Remember this important truth. There's absolutely no shame in speaking out loud. The more enthusiastically you practice, the more confident you'll become. Even if you make mistakes, you're learning and improving. Even native speakers make pronunciation mistakes sometimes, so don't let fear stop you from speaking. Here's what makes this lesson special. We're not just learning words, we're learning to speak about real situations. Every word we practice today could help you in a real emergency or medical situation. Ready to transform your English? Let's begin this important journey together. By the end of this lesson, you'll have 50 powerful words that could genuinely help you in any health situation. SECAL 1. Common health problems. Let's start with the most common health problems that people experience every single day. These are words you'll hear in doctors' offices and use when talking about how you feel. Word number 1. Headache. This means pain in your head. It's one of the most common health problems worldwide. Example, I have a terrible headache today. Now you repeat. Headache. Word number 2. Stomachache. This is pain in your stomach or belly area. Example, I have a stomachache after eating too much. Now you repeat. Stomachache. Word number 3. Fever. This means your body temperature is higher than normal, usually because you're sick. Example, I have a high fever and feel very hot. Now you repeat. Fever. Word number 4. Cough. This is the sound you make when air comes out of your lungs suddenly. Example, my cough is getting worse every day. Now you repeat. Cough. Word number 5. Sore throat. This means your throat hurts, especially when you swallow. Example, I can't speak well because of my sore throat. Now you repeat. Sore throat. Word number 6. Runny nose. This means liquid comes out of your nose when you're sick. Example, this cold is giving me a constantly runny nose. Now you repeat. Runny nose. Word number 7. Nausea. This is the feeling that you want to vomit or throw up. Example, the medication is causing some nausea. Now you repeat. Nausea. Word number 8. Dizziness. This means feeling unsteady, like everything is spinning around you. Example, I feel dizziness when I stand up quickly. Now you repeat. Dizziness. Word number 9. Fatigue. This means extreme tiredness that doesn't go away with rest. Example, chronic fatigue is affecting my daily activities. Now you repeat. Fatigue. Word number 10. Backache. This is pain in your back, often from sitting too much or lifting heavy things. Example, I've been suffering from backache since working from home. Now you repeat, backache. Perfect. You've just learned 10 essential health problem words. These are the symptoms people talk about most often with doctors and nurses. If you're enjoying this easy method, remember to give this video a thumbs up. Excellent work. You're doing amazingly well. You've already learned 10 important health words using our easy shadowing method. Can you feel the difference? You're not just understanding these words, you're actually speaking them. Now, let's continue with another crucial group of vocabulary. Let's learn about the people who help us when we're sick or injured. A2, healthcare professionals, word number 11. Doctor. This is a medical professional who helps diagnose and treat illnesses. Example, I need to make an appointment with my doctor. Now you repeat. Doctor, word number 12. Nurse. This is a healthcare professional who takes care of patients. Example, the nurse will check your blood pressure first. Now you repeat. Nurse, word number 13. Dentist. This is a doctor who specializes in teeth and mouth health. Example, I visit my dentist twice a year for cleanings. Now you repeat. Dentist, word number 14. Pharmacist. This person prepares and gives you medications from the pharmacy. Example, the pharmacist explained how to take my medicine. Now you repeat. Pharmacist, word number 15. Specialist. This is a doctor who focuses on one particular area of medicine. Example, my doctor sent me to a heart specialist. Now you repeat. Specialist, word number 16. Surgeon. This is a doctor who performs operations on patients. Example, the surgeon successfully completed my operation. Now you repeat. Surgeon, word number 17. Therapist. This person provides treatment to help you recover from injury or illness. Example, I'm seeing a physical therapist for my back pain. Now you repeat. Therapist, word number 18. Paramedic. This is an emergency medical worker who helps people in ambulances. Example, the paramedics arrived at the scene very quickly. Now you repeat. Paramedic. Wonderful. Now you know exactly who to ask for help in different medical situations. You can confidently request the right healthcare professional for your needs. Emotional story. Let me share a real story that shows why these words are so important. Last year, my friend Maria visited Canada for the first time. On her third day, she felt terrible stomach pain that kept getting worse. She was scared to go to the hospital because she thought her English wasn't good enough to explain her problem. Finally, the pain became unbearable, and she had to go to the emergency room. She was so nervous. But you know what happened? She walked up to the nurse and said just for simple words, stomach pain. Very bad. The medical team understood immediately and gave her the help she needed. The lesson here is powerful. You don't need perfect English to get medical help, but knowing these health words gives you confidence and helps doctors understand your situation faster and more accurately. That's exactly why we're learning them the easy way today. Let's continue building your medical vocabulary with treatment words. Sakal 3. Treatments and medications. Word number 19. Medicine. This refers to drugs or substances used to treat illness and make you feel better. Example, take this medicine twice a day with food. Now you repeat. Medicine, word number 20. Prescription. This is a written order from a doctor that tells the pharmacist what medicine to give you. Example, you need a prescription to buy this medication. Now you repeat. Prescription, word number 21. Treatment. This is medical care given to cure or help with a health condition. Example, the treatment for my condition takes several weeks. Now you repeat. Treatment, word number 22. Surgery. This is a medical procedure where doctors cut into your body to fix a problem. Example, the surgery was successful and I'm recovering well. Now you repeat. Surgery, word number 23. Therapy. This is treatment designed to help heal or improve a medical condition. Example, physical therapy helped me recover from my injury. Now you repeat. Therapy, word number 24. Checkup. This is a routine medical examination to make sure you're healthy. Example, I have my annual checkup with my doctor next week. Now you repeat. Checkup, word number 25. Recovery. This is the process of getting better and returning to normal health. Example, My recovery from the operation took 2 months. Now you repeat recovery word number 26, vaccination. This is when you receive a shot to prevent getting certain diseases. Example, I got my flu vaccination last month. Now you repeat vaccination, great progress. You're halfway through our 50 essential health words. You're building real speaking confidence with every word you practice. Session 4, fitness and exercise, word number 27. Exercises means physical activity that you do to stay healthy and strong. Example, regular exercise is important for good health. Now you repeat exercise word number 28. Workout. This is a session of physical exercises, usually at a gym or at home. Example, I do a 30-minute workout every morning. Now you repeat workout word number 29. Fitness. This refers to being in good physical condition and health. Example, my fitness has improved since I started running. Now you repeat fitness word number 30. Cardio. This is exercise that makes your heart beat faster and improves heart health. Example, running is excellent cardio exercise. Now you repeat cardio word number 31. Strength training. This is exercise that builds muscle strength using weight or resistance. Example, strength training helps build muscle mass. Now you repeat strength training word number 32. Stretching. This means exercises that improve flexibility and range of motion. Example, stretching before exercise helps prevent injuries. Now you repeat stretching word number 33. Calories. These are units that measure the energy in food and the energy you burn during activity. Example, this workout burns about 300 calories. Now you repeat calories. Excellent. You're learning vocabulary that will help you talk about staying healthy and active in English. Session 5. Nutrition word number TG4 nutrition. This refers to the food and nutrients your body needs to stay healthy. Example, good nutrition is essential for optimal health. Now you repeat nutrition word number 35. Vitamins. These are essential nutrients that your body needs in small amounts to function properly. Example, fresh fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. Now you repeat vitamins word number 36. Protein. This is a nutrient that's essential for building and repairing muscles and tissues. Example, chicken and fish are good sources of protein. Now you repeat protein word number 37. Balanced diet. This means eating a variety of foods in the right proportions for good health. Example, a balanced diet includes fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Now you repeat balanced diet word number 30. Hydration. This means maintaining adequate fluid levels in your body by drinking enough water. Example, proper hydration is crucial for good health. Now you repeat hydration word number 13. Organic. This describes food produced without synthetic chemicals, pesticides, or artificial additives. Example, I prefer to buy organic vegetables when possible. Now you repeat organic word number 40. Fiber. This is plant material that's important for healthy digestion. Example, whole grains are high in fiber and good for digestion. Now you repeat fiber. Amazing. You're building comprehensive vocabulary for talking about healthy eating and nutrition. Session 6. Final health words. Let's finish with some important final health vocabulary words. Word number 41. Wellness. This refers to the state of being in good health, both physically and mentally. Example, wellness programs focus on preventing illness. Now you repeat wellness word number 42. Lifestyle. This means the way you live and the daily choices you make about health. Example, a healthy lifestyle leads to a longer, happier life. Now you repeat lifestyle word number 43. Metabolism. This refers to the chemical processes in your body that turn food into energy. Example, regular exercise helps boost your metabolism. Now you repeat metabolism word number 44. Symptoms. These are signs that show you might be sick or have a health problem. Example, What symptoms are you experiencing today? Now you repeat. Symptoms word number 45, diagnosis. This is when a doctor identifies what illness or condition you have. Example, the doctor's diagnosis helped determine the right treatment. Now you repeat. Diagnosis word number 46, emergency. This is a serious, urgent situation that requires immediate medical attention. Example, call an ambulance. This is a medical emergency. Now you repeat. Emergency word number 47, pain. This is an unpleasant feeling in your body when something is wrong. Example, I have sharp pain in my chest. Now you repeat. Pain word number 48, injury. This is damage to your body, usually from an accident or sports. Example, the sports injury will take weeks to heal completely. Now you repeat. Injury word number 49, appointment. This is a scheduled meeting with a healthcare professional. Example, I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow morning. Now you repeat. Appointment word number 50, health insurance. This is coverage that pays for your medical expenses when you're sick. Example, make sure you have good health insurance when traveling. Now you repeat. Health insurance. Now, let's practice these words in a real conversation. This is where your learning becomes actual speaking ability. Imagine you're at a doctor's office. Listen to this conversation, then we'll practice together. Doctor, good morning. How can I help you today, patient? Good morning, doctor. I have a terrible headache and fever. Doctor, how long have you been experiencing these symptoms? Patient, for about 3 days now. I also feel very tired. Doctor, I see. Any other symptoms like nausea or dizziness? Patient, yes, some dizziness when I stand up quickly. Now let's practice together. I'll be the doctor, and you be the patient. Good morning. How can I help you today? Now you say, I have a headache and fever. How long have you felt this way? Now you say, for 3 days. Perfect. See how easy that conversation was. You just spoke to a doctor in English using the vocabulary we learned today. Congratulations. You have just learned 50 essential health words in English. But more importantly, you've practiced speaking them out loud. You've transformed from someone who only understands English to someone who can confidently speak about health topics. Let me ask you something. How do you feel right now compared to 28 minutes ago? You probably feel much more confident about discussing health in English, right? That's the amazing power of our easy learning method, combined with your dedication and practice. These words are no longer just vocabulary sitting in your head. They're practical tools you can use in real-life situations. Tools that could help you in a medical emergency. Tools that give you the confidence to travel anywhere in the English-speaking world without fear. Here's exactly what I want you to do next. First, practice these words out loud every single day, even for just 5 minutes. Second, try to use them in real conversations whenever you have the opportunity. Third, come back to this video whenever you need to review and refresh your memory. Remember this important truth. You don't need to speak perfect English. You just need to be brave enough to speak and communicate. Every word you practiced today makes you a more confident English speaker. If this lesson helped you feel more confident about your health vocabulary, please subscribe to Speak, Learn English Easy. We make English simple and enjoyable, so you can speak with real confidence in any situation. Leave a comment below telling me which health word will you use first in a real conversation. Write the word health if you're ready to use this vocabulary in real life. Thank you so much for learning with me today. You're becoming a more confident English speaker with every single lesson, and I'm genuinely proud of your progress and dedication. I'll see you in our next video where we'll continue learning more essential English vocabulary the easy way. Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and always remember, English doesn't have to be hard when you learn it the easy way. Take care of your health and take care of your English learning journey. Bye for now.